Welcome to this step-by-step guide for uploading recipient data to stamp.com and using this in your next direct mail campaign. You can upload recipient data from the left toggle menu once you're logged in, or in a campaign with the Upload Data button. Throughout the upload process, you can access our knowledge base and web chat for support and preview your data in an envelope window once this is added. CSV is the required file type. You can upload other formats, and this will be converted into a single sheet file. Make sure your recipient data is separated into individual columns with column headings in the first row only. Here's an example with the recipient details, address details, and additional custom content all separated out into columns. You can download an example data file here. To add your data, browse and select your file or simply drag and drop. Once you've added your data file, you'll need to map the column headings. You'll see the number of recipients found, any potential issues to resolve, and the number of new custom fields if present in your uploaded data. These are interactive, so click to view pop-up information. The table will display your headings, how these have been automatically mapped to the stamp.com default headings, and show two recipients with preview data for reference. Use the I buttons across the table where available for more information. Scroll along to view all data columns and adjust the mapping with the drop-down. Map custom headings to your preferences. These default to text, but you can select a preferred date format. Deselect the column headings to skip these in the upload. Re-add these by reselecting the heading or selecting a field from the drop-down. Previously uploaded custom fields that exactly match will map automatically. New custom fields will map accurately next time. If this is a new group, give it a memorable name so you can find it later. If you're adding these recipients to an existing group, select this and then select a group from the drop-down. We'll check for duplicates in this data file and your other previously uploaded recipients. You can update the existing records and retain these in this recipient group, avoid uploading duplicates, or add all as unique records. In this case, we'll insert all duplicates as unique records, then select which data you would like to use for duplicate checking and confirm. Finally, select your default country, view the preview, and import your recipients. Once your recipient data file is uploaded, you can view details here or in your recipient groups from the left toggle menu. Information about address verification is available in our knowledge base. This group is now available to add to your next direct mail campaign.